Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's tutorial, I want to discuss Python GUI programming using Tinter package. Let's first discuss the learning objective of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to understand the basic requirements of Python GUI programming, understand the Tinter package with the pros and cons, able to develop a program to create a root window using Python GUI. Let's first discuss the GUI. GUI is an environment where user interacts with the help of the graphics or images. There are two ways to interact with any application, either using CUI, that is a command user interface, or using GUI. In command user interface, user interacts with any application with the help of giving some commands, while in the GUI, user interacts with the help of the images and pictures. The example of the GUI application is a Windows operating system. Basically, GU provide various types of advantages, like it is very user friendly, it adds attractions and beauty in your application, and with the help of the GUI you can simulate the real life objects in your application. So GUI is used for creating interactive and user friendly applications. While you create any Python GUI program, the events are handled by the operating systems installed in your computer. Now let's discuss the TCL and TK. TCS is a tool command language and TK is a toolkit. Basically, this Python plus TCL plus TK is called as the Tinter package that is used in a Python GUI programming, and these interacts with the operating system to perform or handle the events in a GUI applications. Now let's discuss the TCL. TCL is a tool command language that is invented in 1990, and it is used for the web and desktop applications, networking, administrations, scripted applications, embedded system, rapid prototyping and testing. This TCL interfacing with the other languages like C++ and Java. It allows extension packages which provide additional functionality such as GUI, database access, etc. So combinedly TCL and TK is used and TCL and expect is used. Basically for Python GUI we are using TCL and TK. Now let's discuss TK. TK is a toolkit that is an open source cross-platform widget toolkit for building GUI and other common widgets. Other common widgets are Java AWT and Java Swing, Cocoa for Mac OS, and Silverlight for modern Microsoft Windows NT. Basically, this TK is originally created by the TCL, and other languages bindings are also exist like Python TK, that is called as Tinter. It also associated with the Perl and Ruby. Now let's discuss the related projects in languages, different languages. In Java, there is a widget toolkit, abstract window toolkit, and Swing. In PHP, that is a PHP, GTK, and PHP Qt. In JavaScript, it's a jQuery UI and EXTJS. In Python, Tinter, PyQt, PySide, and WX Python. Now let's discuss the TK, Tinter and TCL. TK is a GUI toolkit provided by the routines of the C library. This library basically manages and manipulates the windows and handles the GUI events and other user interactions. While the TCL is a mostly hidden language used by the TK and hence used by the Tinter to communicate with the toolkit. The Tinter is a basically Python TK interface which provides a collection of the Python classes and methods for accessing the toolkit from within the Python. Now let's discuss some pros and cons of the Tinter package. First discuss the pros. First pros is a cross-platform. Means this Tinter package is used in any operating system with the very per platform specific dependence. You can use in Windows, Mac, and most Unix implementation also. Second is a maturity, means it is well developed and first released in 1990, and this is a stable version. Brevity means Python programs using Tinter can be very brief, and partly because of the power of the Python, but also due to the TK. Extensibility, many extensions of TK exist, and these are freely and frequently distributed on the web. Speed, most calls to Tinter are formatted as a TCL commands, and you know that the commands are fastly executed and interpreted by a TCL from where the actual TK calls are made. Now let's discuss cons in terms of TCL. Basically, Python pursuits often bulk at the speed at the need to install other scripting language in order to perform a GUI task. Basically, there is a periodic interest in removing the need of the TCL by using the TK's C language API, although no such attempt has ever succeeded. Now let's discuss the Python widgets or the subclasses. There are various types of Windows gadgets or widgets available in the Python like frame, label, entry, text box, button, checkbox, radio buttons, scroll bar, menu bar, scale, canvas, etc. Now let's discuss a program to create a root window. To create a root window, basically you have to first import a Tinter package. To importing a Tinter package, you can write from Tinter import star, or you can write import star from Tinter. The next step to initialize TK, that is a toolkit. For that, you have to write root equals to TK. Now let's make a one window with the help of the main loop function of the TK. You can write root dot main loop. This root dot main loop wait and watch for any events that may take place in the window. Uh, you can see here that one window is displayed. In this window, you can apply any types of widgets, that is a frame, checkbox, uh, text box, etc. for performing for making any GUI application. In this tutorial, I discussed the Tinter package and with some pros and cons, and also discuss a program to create a root window in Python GUI programming. For more learning, you can refer these references. Thank you.